Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from Maxcel West Coast Realty. Today we have episode 2 on open house preparation. At an open house, we don't only work on Saturday, Sunday from 2 to 4. Actually, our preparation starts Monday. Monday is when you decide about your open house, and then you will do the preparation, such as study all the recent sales, recent solds, and drive around the neighborhood. In addition to driving around the neighborhood, you should also start think about who may be your potential client that may be interested in buying this property, and then start to give them a call. Text message, or email them. This is your Monday duty. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us, share us on your social media. Thank you.